Imagine you're sitting on a park bench, sipping a coffee, and watching the world go by. A friend walks up and asks, "Hey, have you ever wondered where your money goes when you invest it?" It's a question we've all pondered at some point, but the answer can be surprisingly complex. Today, we're going to dive deep into the world of Raiz and explore exactly where they invest your hard-earned cash. Raiz is a popular micro-investing platform that allows you to invest small amounts of money regularly. It's a great way to start building wealth without breaking the bank. But where does Raiz actually put your money? The Raiz investment process. Raiz uses a strategy called ETF investing. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are essentially baskets of investments that track a specific index, like the S&P 500. This means that when you invest with Raiz, you're essentially buying a piece of a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. Raiz offers a variety of ETFs that cater to different risk tolerances and investment goals. For example, they have ETFs that focus on Australian shares, international shares, emerging markets, and even sustainable investments. Diversification and risk management. One of the key benefits of ETF investing is diversification. By investing in a variety of assets, Raiz helps to spread out your risk and reduce the impact of any individual investment performing poorly. Raiz also uses a rebalancing strategy to ensure that your portfolio stays aligned with your original risk tolerance. This means that if one asset class starts to outperform the others, Raiz will sell some of it and reinvest the proceeds in underperforming assets. Ethical and sustainable investing. In recent years, there has been a growing demand for ethical and sustainable investing. Raiz has responded to this trend by offering ETFs that focus on companies with strong environmental, social, and governance (ESG) credentials. These ETFs invest in companies that are committed to reducing their carbon footprint, promoting social justice, and adhering to high ethical standards. Fees and costs. When investing with Raiz, you'll need to be aware of the fees involved. Raiz charges a management fee, which is a percentage of your total investment. There may also be transaction costs associated with buying and selling ETFs. It's important to compare the fees charged by Raiz with those of other investment platforms to ensure you're getting the best value for your money. So, where does Raiz invest your money? The answer is in a diversified portfolio of ETFs that track various indices, including ethical and sustainable options. By investing with Raiz, you're gaining access to a professional investment strategy that can help you build wealth over the long term. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.